do the physical handover, I once again want to thank my colleague, C.A. Zedan Mohamed, and the Ambassador Annette Gunter, for your kind words as we continue to fight this pandemic. As the coincidence would have it, on this day, when we get this fantastic gift, we also announce two things. Number one is that the number of cases today actually was the highest since the pandemic began, at 66 persons, with 64 of those being Kenyans, and two others being foreign nationals. We have also continued to see the rise across the counties, and therefore, arising from this situation, and in order to contain further spread of the virus, the National Emergency Response Committee on Coronavirus announces and directs as follows. A is an extension of the cessation of movement in and out of Eastleigh in Nairobi until Saturday the 17th. B, an extension of the cessation of movement in and out of Old Town, Mombasa, until the 6th of June, 2020. In addition to that, the malls, the eateries, restaurants are supposed to remain closed and hawking prohibited until Saturday, the 6th of June, 2020. This, ladies and gentlemen, is essentially to keep the areas you contained, so that in the next few days we can finally bring some form of control towards those areas, so that the disease does not continue spreading. And of course, you will have noted then that if we have 66 cases, the other unfortunate milestone is that we have now hit, Kenya has now hit a figure of over 1,000 positive cases to 1,029 cases. Mombasa continues to be the challenge, with 30 of those cases being in Mombasa and 26 of those cases being in and 29 cases. Mombasa continues to be the challenge, with 30 of those cases being in Mombasa and 26 of those cases being in and 29 cases. Mombasa continues to be the challenge, with 30 of those cases being in Mombasa and 26 of those cases being in Nairobi.